Stamperia has this beautiful paper collection called Grand Hotel. Now this is a 12 by 12 size. There's going to be 10 sheets of double-sided papers, and let me open this up. Padded on the left, as you know, and look at this. Just beautiful, beautiful papers. They are on a cardstock weight. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you just imagine cards, scrapbook pages, whatever you want to make? Now there is just one sheet of each one, so if you're interested in double page spreads, you will need to get 2 of them. And there's the back of it with a stripe. And then this is exactly what Stamperia is known for. They have a lot of art included with their papers. What's nice about that is that you can extend the artwork and use it on multiple things using other papers with it or cardstock, whatever you like. So just beautiful. In fact, this all has English writing, so that's nice to know. There's the back. They tend to be plainer on the back, but ever so lovely. Here is another of the Grand Hotel, so kind of looking like wallpaper, maybe wainscoting, and there's an all over on the back of that. Here we have just a whole variety. It looks like fabrics to me. Aren't they beautiful? And wouldn't they be gorgeous in your paper crafting? And there's the back side of it with these tiles, so pretty. And all over, again, it looks like wallpaper to me, just gorgeous. Kind of distressed back also. More subtle colors, nothing really in your face. Stripes. And then it has special days, so you can use that, some tags if you want to write. And on the back side, all of those are more generic, if that's a better way to use it for you. And speaking of wallpaper, isn't that lovely? And they're kind of darker on the edges, like they've been inked for you. And then an all-over pattern, another one, and another stripe. And then we have more tags, are just gorgeous. Really, really pretty. A dozen of them right there. And then on the back, another of the wainscoting and the wallpaper. Beautiful. You just can't go wrong with Stamperia, I think. And then another tiles. Now, we do have some flowers from our friends at 49th and Market. This is the Sky, is the name of these flowers, and this is Scarlet. So you can see how beautifully they work with these papers. So we're bringing these in and really happy to have them and how beautifully they coordinate. So this is the Grand Hotel from Stamperia.